Lecture 2 - What is political science and nature of political science? Hi guys. I'm Hunk. I hope you people are nice and fine.
Yes, sir. We are doing great. What about you, sir?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. So, let's start our lecture. Today we will have a discussion on what political science is, and of course, the nature of political science.
Really, sir, that would be great. So, let's move on.
Do you know what is political? Anyone? Any idea?
Yes, sir. Political means anything or any relationship that we have with our government.
Very good. Nice. So, in political science we study the relations between public and their governments. In order to properly understand these relationships, we must understand how governments are structured and organized and what their functions are. Therefore, my dear students, the systemic study of state and government is called political science.
Political science is defined as the systemic study of state and government. So, the nature of political science seems to the structure, organization and functions of government. Right, sir?
Exactly. As we have too many people in the countryside and less of the resources to satisfy them, then we must have an authority to distribute the scarce or lesser number of resources among many people. So, we need state and government to allocate or distribute resources. The governments are to authoritatively allocate resources as they have power.
The nature of political science is to authoritatively allocate scarce or lesser resources among many people. Oh, sir, that's so easy. In definition, the important thing to remember is the systemic study of state and government, and in nature, the important thing to remember is the allocation of resources.
Great, you got it. I think you people now understand what is political science and what exactly is the nature of political science.
Yes. We do, sir. We really do.
Now, we have come to the end of this video. If you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel's name is Computer Geek. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates instantly.